How to use Klaviyo for newsletters. Want to send newsletters using Klaviyo? Here's the simplest way to do it. Open Klaviyo and go to the Campaigns tab. Click Create Campaign and choose Email. Name your newsletter campaign, then select the segment you want to send it to, like your engaged list or all subscribers. Pick a clean template, one headline, one image, one text block. Simple layouts always perform better for newsletters. Write your headline first. Keep it short and clear so readers instantly know what the email is about. Inside the text block, write your newsletter content in small, digestible paragraphs. Keep the tone casual and helpful. If you want, add personalization tags, like first name, so the newsletter feels more personal. Use the sidebar to add product blocks, blog links, or buttons. Klaviyo makes it easy to drag and drop anything you need. Scroll down and set your subject line and preview text. Make it curiosity-based, but not clickbait. Before sending, click Preview and Test to see how your newsletter looks on mobile. Fix spacing, remove anything unnecessary. When everything looks clean, go to Schedule or Send, choose your send time, or use Smart Send Time to optimize delivery. And that's it, a simple, clean Klaviyo newsletter without overcomplication. Thanks for watching.